What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to my channel, peeps, and welcome back to the RAHQ, the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle, of course. Today we've got a 2-minute tutorial, basically how to master your speed control when you come to transitioning between double unders and double under southpaws, right? It's an absolute epic little tip that I'm about to share with you. If you're not sure what ropes we use on this channel, it's of course the RA Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope. Use my links down below and my discounts and get started the right way. All right, people, we're gonna get straight into this tutorial. Don't wanna mess around, don't wanna waffle, babble, as I always do. You see enough of that. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you basically how to go from your double unders, from southpaws, and then back to doubles. Nice and smoothly like that, all right? I wanna keep you guys looking fluid when you're doing these techniques. This is basically like an intermediate advanced trick, all right? But what we're trying to learn here is how to link together these two moves without making it look forced, without making it look a little bit awkward, and without kind of cutting the step and the timing, all right? Now, the key to transitioning between these two moves isn't speed, right, people? I don't want you to go a million miles an hour, because if you do at first, this is what it's gonna look like, right? So if you're going really fast, you're gonna trip. That hurt. It's not gonna look right. It's gonna look a little bit awkward, a little bit off. You're gonna have to sort of really get to a point where you're doing these really smoothly, like kind of 60% speed, and then ramp it all up so it looks nice. Okay, so the tip is this. I want you to learn how to sort of pause in between the transition. So what I mean by that, as you're doing your doubles, pause, pause. Okay, now it's probably hard to share on camera, but I want you to feel that little minor pause in between the transition. This is without the pause, right? This is just going straight in. All right, the reason why I trip is because I'm going at a flat, constant speed, really fast. The jumps are going at the same speed, but it needs a pause to set the new combination or the new move in action, right? So when you learn how to kind of slow it down, as I always say, get really smooth, 60% speed, pause, pause. The thing with double unders and with southpaws is that they're not exactly the same sort of speed. When it comes to your jump for your double unders, the double comes just as the rope's about to hit the floor, right near your feet, then you take off, complete the double, whereas with the southpaw, you have to take off as you clip the ground in front of you, or to the side even. So it's jump, jump, jump. Now, it's a bit different because the double under, like I said, happens a lot closer to your feet. And so to bring those two together, you just need to learn how to flex the knees as you land, then take off when it's ready to sort of release your hands and start doing the doubles. So use a little bit of knee flexion, pause, and then go. It's not a basic tutorial, it just needs a little bit of tweaking, and hopefully you understand what I'm getting at here. You don't want to go too fast. Just practice on little pauses in between each move, and you can take this through every single one of your combinations, as opposed to going a million miles an hour when you're kind of building transitions. Come out of it nice and chilled, nice and slow, ramp it up. Just play around with the speeds, then you'll know how to kind of master this thing correctly. So hopefully that tutorial made sense in my head when I planned it. Let me know your feedback. Do you prefer the tutorials inside here? Is the mic okay? Is the sound okay? Can you see me right? Listen, we're gonna crush this year, as I said in the previous video. So drop me your comments, let me know what you see going forward. Please give this video a big thumbs up, guys. It'd be really useful for me and allow this channel to continue growing. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already joined this incredible fitness community growing across the world. It's just going nuts. I'm telling you right now, super busy right now in HQ, seeing so many people grab their ropes, fly boss. My dream come true, man. So thank you so much again for supporting this brand and continue to spread the vision across the world. Peeps, I'm gonna check you in that next video, so take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
was the knight in shining armor in your movie. Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.